YouTube was good. It's your boy Thrax and welcome back to the channel. This is Thrax.Kicks where I do sneaker news, how-tos, and sneaker reviews. So if you're into that thing, stick with me. Today we're gonna be unboxing the Yeezy 380 Calcite Glow. Yes, I got them on a raffle. I ended up hitting on the Yeezy, so we're gonna unbox these things and see what they're looking like, man. Y'all stick with me. Yeezy 380 box. My first Yeezy box. I've never had a pair of Yeezys before. Yeezy Boost 380, made by Adidas. I got this in a size 9.5, UK 9, but a size US 9.5. For the price of Yeezys, the packaging is alright. It's not amazing. I got a pair of glow-in-the-dark laces. It's pretty dope. Okay. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm impressed. I'm not a Yeezy fan at all. I entered this raffle because I wanted to see if I can hit on the raffle. And this is my first raffle that I ever won. I was like, all right, cool. Let's get the shoe and see what it's like, man. But I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm actually impressed with this shoe. It actually looks pretty good in here. As you can see, we got Yeezy Boost technology on the bottom. The whole upper is like glow in the dark. The outsole is glow in the dark as well. These laces look crazy. I don't even know how to unlace this. Do these stay in here? Let's get this other shoe out. We'll say for the money that you pay for Yeezys, I don't see any quality control issues with these. There's no glue sticking out. Everything seems to be threaded the right way. There's no little phrase sticking out from the threading or anything like that. And it comes perfect. It looks perfect. Like it comes pretty much everything is in order. I don't see anything wrong with these so far. Simple shoe, simple box. I'm not too mad at it. This is my only pair of Yeezys, and I'm not mad at them. I'm not mad at them. I actually like these. They look better than they do on the pictures on the website, actually. So I'm not mad at this cop at all. I was planning on selling these, but I might keep these, man. I don't know. I really don't know. Everything's got a price, though. So we're gonna see, man. I'm a fan. I get in the comments, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think of the Yeezy 380 Calcite Glow. This has been Thrax. This has been Thrax.Kicks, and I'm out.